Okay, guys, we've got some chicken chunks and some cornstarch. We're just going to shake them up in a bag. Get them all covered. Now I've got my water getting hot over here. And over here, we're fixing to start cooking some sweet and sour sauce. Now, my recipe, I don't have everything for it, so we're gonna make our own. Okay, that's 1.5 cups of pineapple juice. I needed, we're making like a triple batch, so I needed 6 tablespoons of ketchup. I'm not sure that I have 6 tablespoons, so I'm just putting in what I've got. So there's not a whole lot of ketchup. Okay, and then we are putting in 2 big spoons of garlic. This is just the already cut up garlic. Well, we'll just put in one big spoon. Then we're supposed to put in like 6 tablespoons of soy sauce. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Did you have enough ketchup?
I think it'd be enough.
Okay.
I probably got more over there in the fridge. I
I
think it'd be enough. No, I thought I got it all. Here, will you open this? You may be stronger than me. Blue!
Come here. Come here.
Sonny's not strong enough to open it.
Because my fingers are so soft, it ain't
You know what? I'm going to use the red wine vinegar. I think I decided to use red wine vinegar because I do have it. You can use rice wine vinegar, apple cider vinegar, red wine vinegar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I kind of do about equal of all except for the pineapple juice. I do more of the pineapple juice. Then we got the brown sugar. Goodness, I'm having trouble opening everything today. Having trouble opening everything today, guys. Everything. You're gonna have to have a knife, Sonny, before you sit down. Can't get the brown sugar open. Okay, brown sugar, same thing, guys. 6 tablespoons. So, this is how Debbie's gonna do it. 1, 2, watch it. 3, 4,
Be careful, Bubba.
5, 6. Okay. Now stir it up, and we're going to bring that to a boil. And we do need to put us in some cornstarch that will thicken it up. I don't even have it on. I'm really cooking. Our rice is boiling. It's got 12 more minutes. My grease should be hot. Let's go ahead and do that, and then we'll add our cornstarch and get our sauce mixing. Let me put you back just a little bit so you can see this one. And this has just got cornstarch on our chickens, guys. Making it a little bit healthier, but we're not doing a certain... No. Not over here where it's burning.
Wait.
You can show them when we mix it together.
No, ma'am.
It's,
Jojo.
we're not doing like a restrictive diet. What we're doing is intermittent fasting. So we eat from 12 to 7 every day. For lunch, we're going to eat like a king, like a really good meal. For what we would call our mid-evening snack, will be like a queen. See, she's fine. You can't be over there. Yeah, this is Poppy, baby. And I'm making a mess of Sonny's kitchen, but I'll get it clean. I don't want to overpack it. So that's probably enough for right
Did
now.
you tell them you had that was cornstarch? That's flour, isn't it?
No, cornstarch.
Okay.
Cornstarch. Will you hand me the cornstarch over here, though?
Just let them do this.
Thank you.
Wow, the stop.
Okay, you normally just
Wow,
put a
stop.
tablespoon of
It's
cornstarch.
okay.
Okay,
It's okay.
so we just need like three heapings of it in here in our sauce. That's what will thicken it. Turn that down just a little bit. And you just want to get your cornstarch incorporated good, you know, and not leave any clods of it. And this is just kind of, not, like I said, this is not my exact recipe because I don't have everything I need, but it'll work just fine. Oh, yeah. Now to this, guys, we're going to add to our sauce so that it can start softening. We're going to add our onion that is sliced thin. Like that. Trying to tear it up a little bit before I put it in there, though. Get it separated.
What is it? Oh, give me a towel.
It's starting to boil up. Our chicken's cooking good. Just slow it down a little bit.
You gonna come sit with Mama? You gonna sit with Mama?
Just separating out this onion so when I put it in there,
It's dead. Mom, no, that said it's dead. Is yours dead?
yeah.
They're dead. What do you want to watch on them? I can change the TV.
So I'm going to turn this down on low because it just needs to cook, soften our vegetables, all the things. It's already getting real thick. See there? It's going to be awesome. Now I've got an onion, a fairly good sized onion, a cup of mushrooms. I have a can of pineapple slices that we sliced up, diced up a little bit because I didn't have a chunk can. Got this fairly low because all I want it to do now is just to keep cooking. I'll keep stirring it and it'll get my onions soft. Sonny, I need rice. I mean, need some water. I don't have time to get it on the rice.
How much water do you want?
Oh, I didn't even start my timer, guys.
Oh, you mean,
Hurry up. Yeah. Is this some hot water?
she said hurry up.
Sonny's one of them you have to explain. I'm one of them hurry up when I ask you for something.
Look
Hurry
what I
quick.
found.
Hurry quick. Yeah, 'cause she says water. I'm thinking she needs a bowl of water. Well, you know it's cooking rice.
No, I didn't.
Okay, that's cool.
I ain't been listening to you, girl. I'm working.
Oh,
Big.
Lord.
I'm
She's
big.
working. Okay, look at all this yumminess, though, guys. And to that, we're going to add a can of water chestnuts, sliced water chestnuts. And you could have chopped them up, too, but they'll be okay. So I'm just adding the kitchen sink today, basically. Hang on just a minute, I'll be right back. Where does your like strainer or whatever?
Should be in right there by the thing.
Gotta move you guys, sorry. Nope. Uh-oh. Nope. Nope, uh-oh.
Okay, strainer.
I need something to drain. My chicken's ready to come up and I need something to drain it. It's gonna be hard.
Oh yeah, because we don't have any paper towels.
What am I looking for? I don't know what I'm looking for. Let me move y'all out of the way. Okay, that'll work.
Where's water?
Okay, we're just gonna strain our grease out right there. Turn that down even lower, man. That's still cooking. Sunny's stove cooks pretty fastly. Okay, let me get some more chicken on. Oh, I'm making a mess, guys. I'm making a mess. The tickets go on sale. Is it? What time is it?
12:47.
Huh?
12:47.
Okay, tickets go on sale in less than 15 minutes for the retreat, guys. Woo! So excited.
I'm reaching.
Okay, we got another cooking on. Let's get this stirred. Let me taste my rice. Okay. Need to cook a little bit more. Hang on, guys. Adding a little bit more milk, water to my my rice. All I did when I put it on today was guesstimate, and I guesstimated a little much. Imagine that. But again, what we're doing is called intermittent fasting. There's different kinds of intermittent fasting. I know one lady was saying, I forgot, that she ate from didn't she say she ate from 11 to 6? Took an 8-hour slot. I think that's what that lady said. That she took an 8-hour slot. But we're just taking 7 hours. We're eating from 12 to 7. At lunch, we're eating like a really good meal. At mid-afternoon snack, then we'll eat like a queen, like a good meal, but not overabundance of a good meal. And then for supper, then we'll just eat kind of like, they say eat like a popper, like your tour. So we won't eat, very much for supper. So that's how we're doing our diet. But like I said, now there's many ways, many different forms of intermittent fasting. You don't have to eat from those hours that we do. That's just hours we're choosing. So it works for us. Because I can get through with my exercise my devotion and then do a craft and then come over here and cook, or either cook over there and they come over there, whichever, and then I can get back to doing stuff in the afternoon, so it doesn't, you know, this just works for us. Although we're a little behind this morning because I didn't have everything I needed, so I had to run them back to my house, go through my stuff to see what I could pull together to make it work, and then get back over here. And Dusty did help me cut up the onions and the pineapple. So. But guys, I'm gonna, didn't want that in there. Great day. Sonny, I need you again. I need a little bowl that I can put this in that ain't got anything in it after it's cooked. Okay. Well, it's ready for the next cooking. And with this cornstarch, guys, you don't have to, you don't have to cook chicken very long, and it's done. And the cornstarch is not as much breading on it, so you're eating a little bit healthier that way with not as much breading. And you could use noodles, like you could use zucchini noodles even, I guess, to put this over. We've always had it over rice. And since this is our lunchtime meal, I think we're just fine having it over rice. Okay, I'm going to put that already cooked back in there. So I'm just letting this cook. My rice should be done. Cut it off. And then as soon as we get our meat done, we'll be ready to eat. So I'll tell you what, we'll come back live when we're ready to sit down and eat, and y'all can see how we put it together. And it's good. Now, I'm hoping this is going to be as delicious since it's not my actual recipe, but it'll be good. It'll be good. I like putting this together and that together and coming up with something. Kind of like crafting to me. So, we'll be back shortly. All right, love you guys.